Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy XCover7 Pro, and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's begin with opening the dialer and go to your contacts. Find the contact which you'd like to edit and then tap on it. So let me pick maybe this one and tap on this info icon, so this. Give all the permissions it needs and then tap on edit again. Let me quickly remove the photo. Something like that. So basically this is what you will see after entering the contact without any kind of photo assigned. As you can see, we've got a lot of numbers here, so let me quickly remove them. All you have to do is to simply tap on this edit icon or a profile picture, something like that, and basically here we've got different options from which we can choose. So we can open the camera app immediately and take a photo of someone who's right in front of us. We can also choose something from the gallery, so from previously taken photos. Here we've got also the Galaxy avatar, so you can simply create yours. And here we've got some graphics, let's say, which we can also use to customize the contact. So let me maybe choose something. Let me quickly take the photo, something like that, confirm it with OK, and I did it. I decided to take a photo because I wanted to show you this section. Basically, if you will take a photo or choose something from your gallery, you will be able to change the position of this highlighted circle, change the size of it. You can also zoom it in, or the photo, you can zoom in or out the photo. And thanks to this, you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to, and then tap on done. Then tap on save here, tap on save again, and this is how our contact will look like. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.